I'm slime, and Jaden's playing with Play-Doh. And look at this. When we squeeze it, it gets squishy. Look, my dad's right there, and he takes his slime away. Hi, Dad. Wait, what? Okay, we are doing a challenge, but my brother's not. See, look. If you keep it right here, do that.
If you keep it right here on the table, it just melts. It's like melting ice.
Yeah, see, look.
Like water.
See,
and
look.
I have dinosaurs.
Look at my hands.
It's my nail.
Right? Look at my hands. My hands are like all pink. Dark pink. Icky. See, look, guys. If we do this, it makes noise.
He's eating the lava. This is lava slime. Ew. It's like snot. Look at the snot.
See, look. I had two. I've got snot.
Oh, look at his face. It's like it's a sweet day.
Tiny things.
Mom, look. Mom. Oh, I popped it.
What?
Oh my god.
I'm looking. What are you making over there?
I can't. Okay.
Oh, this slime. This is sticky. What is Kool-Aid? Ew! I can't get out. I can't get
It's
out.
not Kool-Aid.
No, he's thinking Kool-Aid. Get out. It's hard.
Okay.
It's the sticky stuff.
Okay.
Ooh. Cookie. He's not cookie.
He's melting.
Oh, slime.
Well, you gotta wait till it hardens up, baby.
Not just for YouTube.
Yeah, she is not just for YouTube.
That's what
Who cares?
Put that on YouTube.
Yes, I am. How did this break already?
What?
We get to do it.
Hold on, Jaden.
And today is Christmas. So Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, people. If you're watching this.
What? Jane, stop. No.
Here,
This
give
is
me
not
that.
frosty.
I'm gonna dip it a little bit.
This is good slime, but you can't eat it. You just have to
Oh, no. He's singing inside of it.
Hey, I want you to play a song.
Can they see the dinosaur getting soaked in the lava? It's like, no.
Look. I need to.
Kid. What was that? Can they still see the dinosaur? Okay. Just in case they can.
Can I see? Oh, I can see Trayvon.
Can you see the dinosaur?
Yeah. I see Trayvon.
Okay. Okay, this is so satisfying. Look at it.